Hi everyone, my name is François Parlant and today I've received this planning for my next year meetings. Of course, I would like to put them into one column to be able to sort them by date. If you have an Excel with subscription for students or corporates, you can use now the new formula ToCol. You need to give some data and then you press enter and you've got one column. You might notice that the empty cell over there came up as a date in 1900. We can avoid that by adding something at the end of our formula. Comma, instead of keeping all the values, I'm going to ignore blanks and errors. Now I don't have this cell anymore. Actually, I'm going to undo that because I want to keep the empty cells because I need to repeat the headers as many times as I have columns. So for example here, I need to repeat A5 many times and everything. Of course, I found a formula to do that in Excel, but I would like to show you how to do that with a new formula in one go for both columns. I'm going to show you that in the next video.